Well, welcome back to A Day in the Life. We're now on season 2, episode 1. We've got lots to show you, so I'm going to reintroduce you to all the guys in the team and get them to tell you what they're doing this week. So come inside. So here we are up at Steel and Paint, and let's go inside and see what the team's up to.
I work for Marine Vehicle Design. I'm a final fabricator.
What have we got?
Oh, not that much left.
So you've done a lot on this, though, haven't you? So this is a backdate car, isn't it? So it was backdated at some point.
Yeah. It starts with like an easy job.
Yeah.
Not that much, but we end up actually doing a lot more.
All the major bits.
To replace all the front end, the wings, the front wings, seal panels, inner seal panels, inner side panels, quarter panels.
But you're 95% done now on this, and
yeah, we have a couple of bits. We need to put the other bit with this door, with the front wing, and afterwards everything is going to be done finally.
Good. Well, but should be good for another 40-50 years, right?
Yeah, the guarantee is pretty.
How's it going? I'm Gavin, I'm head of paint here at Rinse Vehicle Design.
So Gav, what we got here, I remember this coming in, it's a 79 turbo, a really rare metallic green, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in really good shape to be honest. There's very little rust on it. A couple of little scabs here and there. Yeah. But it's been painted a few times and it's live, so we're taking it back to metal. And then that just ensures that we know what products are on it, start to finish.
Yeah, and from memory, I think the customer's having this back to stock, isn't it? Pretty much. It's going to be, interior is going to be the same, obviously colour back to what it was out the factory in 79, and then I think we're doing a little bit of engine work, making it a little bit easier on the turbo, more modern day turbo.
Yes.
On it. But I'm really looking forward to seeing this one finished.
Hi, I'm Pav. I'm head of electrics here at Rint. I'm just modifying some switches for the next build. So I'm just toying around with a few new ideas with the car that we're building next, which is having electric AC.
Can we have a sneak peek? Show us what the
Not really, no. So basically it's a switch which is for a fan symbol, but because it's blue, I'm using this to work and tell us that the AC is on. So I've modified the switch as well, so it's now a momentary switch rather than a latch switch.
Brilliant.
And then, so that will go in the car.
And that's for the Golf Blue backdate.
Backdate.
Yeah.
Which is having electric AC, so this will all look original to somebody who looks into the car.
Right.
But for the switch, AC comes on.
Awesome. Pat does some awesome stuff like this, so looking forward to seeing that in the car, won't we, Pat?
Yep.
I'm Steve and we're in the engine room today and we're just rebuilding a 930 turbo.
Excellent. So this is the car we just saw up at the paint shop.
That's correct,
Gavin
yeah.
stripping, which is the light green one, yeah?
That's right.
So what's the, I know we're not doing, it's kind of a fairly straight rebuild, but am I right in saying it's having a different turbo on this?
Yeah, it's having a bigger turbo on it, yeah.
Right.
So it's bigger than standard.
Yeah.
So we're uprating everything. At the moment I'm just putting some rubber seals on the rocker cover shafts. Sorting all the rockers out for it.
Back in the day, you know, they used to call those old 930 turbos the Widowmaker because it used to snap when you used to kind of, the turbo was like a on-off switch, wasn't it?
That's right, yeah.
But I guess with the new modern day turbos it'll be a bit more progressive.
Yeah, it should be gentler on that.
So the customer hopefully will not make a widow.
No, that's right.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm one of the engine builders here at Rin.
Excellent, Joe. So this is for, again, the blue backdate car, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And we're doing something that we don't normally do with this car, aren't we? We're putting an automatic box on it.
Yes, this is the Sportomatic. It's going on 3.2. So we're just trying to modify it and repair this one. We think the shaft is select the shaft is bent on this.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to remove this by taking everything apart.
Okay. And we're having a few custom bits made, aren't we, as well to get
Yeah.
this to work?
Obviously, it doesn't marry up. Crank doesn't marry up with the gearbox, so we're having parts machined, so it all fits together.
Brilliant. Cool. All right. We'll see a bit more of that next week.
Hi there, I'm Camille and I'm a mechanic down here in Rint Vehicle Design.
Great. So this car, Camille, has just been sold.
That's right.
And you're just doing the final prep on it, are you? Before
Yeah,
it goes out?
just final checks and making sure that everything is correct and paint is looking amazing, also interior.
And it's a rather lovely 1968 soft window Targa. Yeah, really beautiful car. On a rolling road, I think you took it to a rolling road last week, didn't you? Had it on tune. And I believe the customer's picking up tomorrow, and it's an absolute joy to drive now.
Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm head of the workshop.
So Jamie, we've got a load on. We've got two, I guess, cars that we're shipping out fairly quickly. One is the blue backdate car, isn't it?
Yep,
So
golf coloured.
Golf coloured. So that's got 3.2 with an auto box in that one, isn't it? Which one we
Yeah,
haven't done
gently
before.
front bodies as well.
So there's a little bit of machining going on to get the bottom, the box to match and work with
correct, yeah.
So that's coming together nicely. And then we've got the 356, haven't we? So that's the rest of my 356.
Yep, so that's been completely colour changed. Got bigger fours on the engine, it's all been completely rebuilt. There's a fresh engine in there. Just finishing cosmetic touches really on that one.
And we'll show you a lot of those cars over the next couple of weeks as they start coming to completion.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm another technician here down at Rint Vehicle Design.
Great. What are you up to, Jack?
Today we're working on this 911E.
Yeah.
We delivered this a few months
6 months ago?
6 months ago, yeah, just during the summer. It's now back in for its service and a few little niggles the customer had about the product.
So Brian, we haven't seen Brian yet in the video.
I am around.
Season 2, episode 1.
Yeah.
So, I'm not very good at old school stuff, but I'm getting better.
Is that
So-
because you're younger than me?
Yeah, by about 2 years.
Yeah.
So this is a 65 short wheelbase 911.
2 litre.
The holy grail of 911s. as
The
far as I
holy
know.
grail, the one that I want,
The one that you desperately want to
so that
race.
I can race it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
So this one's coming from the States. We've done a whole host of work.
Came from
right?
France.
From France. Okay.
So it came
Tell us
from
about
France, been stood for years. We've completely redone all the fuel system, all the suspension, brakes. We've upgraded it to Weber carbs. It's going on a rolling road. We've got to get it registered, but I managed to drive it for about 1.5 miles yesterday, and absolutely have to own one of these. Cannot tell you how much fun that was. That was awesome. That's why I've got to race one. Not often I'm jealous of people who own cars, but this one I am.
So what sort of value are these 65 911s now?
Well, I don't know. I mean, they're pushing up to sort of 200 grand.
Right.
So depending on matching numbers, paperwork that comes with it, you know, you can buy an absolute basket case for about 70, 80 grand. But this will make a gorgeous daily driving car. You know, interior's lovely, the old wood dash, wood steering wheel. It's a very original
Is
car.
it woodworm free, that dash? Or have you
Quite
checked
possibly.
it?
It's not terribly thick, that wood, so
Okay,
yeah, I
there's
would
no
think it
pinholes in
probably
it.
is.
Okay.
But stunning cars.
Yeah.
So I'll leave you to get on with the newer stuff.
Brilliant. All right. Yeah. My bag.
Good afternoon, my name's Adrian. I'm a newbie at Rint and tinkering away with a little 308.
So Adrian, we don't normally do stuff like this. You've had experience of these before, so you're finishing off this one for us. But the customer on this one is a particularly good Porsche fan, right? So we decided to do a little bit of a restoration for them. Not normally our bag, but it's looking absolutely stunning. He came in there last night, had a look at it. He's looking forward to getting it back. But as you can see around me, we've got a 356 SC 1963 that we're resto modding, so that's nearly finished now. We've got the green short wheelbase, 68 short wheelbase, kind of RSR resto mod, so that's back and sold actually, so that one's going out I think next week. And then we've got one of the Lovell collection cars that we're just finishing off over in the corner, so that's just being recommissioned back for the road. So that's all for this week, everybody. So see you next week, and don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Out a little,